If you're seeing an itch.io error occurred message, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step, so you can get back to browsing, downloading, or uploading without wasting time. This kind of error is often caused by a temporary page issue, a weak internet connection, a browser problem, or even something as simple as a VPN interfering with the site. So before you assume it's a bigger issue, let's go through the easy checks first. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. All right, let's get started. The first thing to do is refresh the page. Sometimes the error is only temporary, and a simple reload is enough to get itch.io working again. If the page still shows the error, check your internet connection next. Make sure you're actually connected and that your connection is stable. Try opening another website to confirm your internet is working properly. If other websites are loading fine, then the issue is more likely with the browser or the itch.io session itself. The next step is to log out and log back in to your itch.io account. Go to the site, sign out completely, and then sign in again. This can clear out session issues that may be causing the error message. If that still doesn't fix it, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can stop websites from loading correctly. In your browser settings, find the option for clearing browsing data. Then remove cached files and cookies for itch.io, or for all time if needed. After that, restart your browser and try again. Another very important step is to disable your VPN if you're using one. Some websites, including itch.io, may not work properly when traffic is routed through certain VPN servers. Turning it off can immediately resolve access or loading errors. After disabling the VPN, reload the page and see if the error goes away. If you still see the same message, try opening itch.io in a different browser to rule out a browser-specific issue. You can also try an incognito or private window, which helps you test the site with old cache, cookies, or extensions getting in the way. If the site loads there, then the issue is likely with your regular browser data or an extension. You may also want to temporarily disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, because they can sometimes interfere with site scripts and cause unexpected errors. After trying each fix, go back and test the page again so you know which steps solve the issue. In most cases, one of these simple actions will get itch.io working normally again. So to recap, refresh the page, check your internet connection, log out and back in, clear your cache and cookies, and disable your VPN if necessary. These steps solve most itch.io error-occurred problems quickly and safely. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.